This video shows two types of paper shredding solutions for eco-friendly packaging. First, the strip-cut paper shredder turns waste paper into fine and uniform strips for basic cushioning and filling. It is suitable for cartons, craft paper, office paper, and packaging paper. High output, stable operation, and low operating cost. The machine is easy to operate and requires minimal labor. Paper fillers can be produced on demand without extra storage space. In the second part, the crinkle-cut paper shredder produces flexible and elastic paper fillers with better cushioning performance. The crinkled structure provides stronger shock absorption and product protection during transportation. Both machines can process various types of waste paper and convert them into valuable packaging materials. Ideal for logistics centers, e-commerce warehouses, and packaging factories. Reduce packaging costs, improve protection, and support sustainable packaging. Contact us for model details and quotations.